Authorities were alerted to Pelham's ranch yesterday to investigate reports of cattle abuse. But what they found instead was disturbingly serene. The ranch was devoid of livestock. Instead, 13 men, all dressed in plain white clothes, were sitting in chairs spread.
Alright. Now we get to look at these shackles. Come on, Sonny. Come on, Sonny. We're not dying today. You gotta make the black community proud.
I need this. Thank God. Oh, look at this.
Oh, okay. I wasn't paying attention. It's okay. Grandpa woke up anyway. Alright, I'll woke him up. Ooh, let me go. Let me go. Close that door behind you. And we're just gonna hide in the closet for a second. Alright. Gotta get my controls together. Just gonna. I ain't gonna do that. You too much of a pussy.
I got this.
Fuck the door. Alright, wait, you know what? Too much of a pussy to come over here by me. You know what time it is. It's not a good idea to go over
I can use this.
I could, but do I want to? Sure. This nigga is over here putting motherfuckers up. He's not behind me, is he?
Awful.
Nigga!
It's awful.
What the fuck is you doing here? You're leading him to our death, is what you're doing. Bitch. Hey, go! Okay, no. We're gone. We're out of here. Fuck her. Fuck Leatherface. You just gotta...
I should grab that.
I can actually fucking see. I should get out of here. I can't see a goddamn thing. Oh, the door! Would you look at that? Just gotta make sure Grandpa ain't up here snitching on you, boy. And we're already in a great predicament right now. It's like, fine, it is now. Going to... This need to be open? It does. But... No. Actually, no. I think it would be smart if I would go back here. It'd be smarter. So I won't have to... Wouldn't that be smarter? He already opened the door for me, so I might as well. Might as well. You a bitch. You know that, Grandpa? You a bitch. You a whole ass bitch. A whole ass snitch. Oh! Oh! Time to bounce. Oh, Grandpa, you a bitch. You know that? You bitch. You hoe. Wow! Grandpa. Get in there. Oh, Sonny boy. Oh, Sonny boy. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Oh no.
Oh, Sonny. Oh, Sonny. Oh, Sonny. Ouch. That hurt. That did hurt. Hurt a lot. It's only 3 of us. That's the problem. Of course I'm dead. Alright. No, yeah, I am. No, I'm not. I'm alive. Don't worry. We can recover from this, honey. We can recover from this. Come on, come on, come on, get up. I should have kept that.
Are they really gone?
Alright, just gonna retrace our steps. And we're gonna try this one more time. Alright, Grandpa's not gonna snitch on us this time. See a whole ass bitch.
Keep it together,
Get
man.
off the flippin'. I don't know. Grandpa, stop. Oh, you're a bitch too. This man, bro. This man. You know what? This is not good. This is not good for me, Sonny.
Finally. I think I lost them.
I don't think you did. He come down them steps. Or is he just waiting on me? I don't know. Seems as he's waiting on me, but... Oh, she's taking the bait. She's taking the bait.
Stay sharp.
Oh, she's taking the bait.
They could be anywhere.
Indeed. It's probably where we die. Not gonna even, I'm gonna keep it above 50.
That might help.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take that instead of the knife, honestly. Oh, my game is not doing so well. He didn't see me over here, right? I'm just gonna close that back. Open this, close that. I'm gonna sit. Just gonna wait and sit, you know? Let Grandpa do his thing. Wish I had that knife. But it's whatever. I should have healed myself, but I'm not going to. We don't need
How
to.
did we end up here?
Speak of a knife, there's one right there. But we don't need it right now. We don't need that. We don't need that.
I'm ready.
All we gotta do is get this goddamn back door open. Or
Hey, I can use
crawl
this.
through here. Is this locked? It is.
I hope this is a way out.
Oh shit, I thought the... You bitch.
Got it.
Oh, that fucking hurt. Oh, that fucking hurt. That took a number on me. And the gate is fucking free. But of course, there's nothing.
Come on.
Okay, this man... Either he knows and he's just touring with me, or he really just doesn't know. Don't you got Grandpa to get back to? Come on, man. Leave. So you can bitch. Of course, right when he leaves, Grandpa wants to yell. And I'm running out of health. Can I really clutch this? Hold on, where there's a wheel, there is a way.
I don't like this much
Hold
quiet.
on. Did he see me? Did he not see me? Did he see me? He saw me. There's no fucking way he didn't see me. There's no fucking way. He's going for the generator. I'm going for this box. He's not. He's not. Almost fucked myself there. Is the gate open? No. No, it couldn't be. I'm gonna die soon. This man needs to just leave me the fuck alone. Go on about his day. I'm gonna die because he doesn't want to leave this area. He sees me. This man sees me. He sees me. He's just fucking with me. Do this extra quick. Extra quick. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, Grandpa. He's acting dumb. I'm 100% sure he saw me. Motherfucker thinks I don't know. He thinks I don't know. He thinks I don't know he's touring with me. This little fucking bitch. Oh my god, I swear to God.
Just keep your head clear. Your eyes open. You can do this.
Yeah, that gate is not open. I'm gonna die soon. So either I leave now, or I don't leave at all. He's just a new character? I mean, not a new character, a new player? Or, I mean, just really bad eyesight. Okay, he might be going back. He goes back because I'm about to die. Realistically.
Those freaks are around here somewhere.
Oh no. The gate, get the gate. Oh shit, I forgot. I gotta look for it. Oh, I almost fucked up my chances. Come on, baby boy. Come on, baby boy. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I might glitch. I can glitch. I can fucking glitch. I can glitch this shit. I can glitch. Oh. I'm so proud of myself. Stop. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. I don't think I ever clutched that hard ever in my life in this game. Oh. I'm stressed. I'm hot, actually. Finally, guys, hiding since this is leveled up. I'm real life hot.
The sheriff's department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. The vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into nearby communities of Harlow and Chinatown will unearth new leads. Family and friends are urging anyone with information regarding her disappearance.
Come on, let's get out. Where am I?
I have to
What?
find the others.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Look at him. And we're stalling a chainsaw. I think I'm gonna go through here. Alright. We're already fucked.
Just keep your
I
head clear.
really can't move.
Eyes open. You can do this. Can I get through here?
Alright, he's good. He's good. He's good. We're cool. Why you gotta be a bitch? Why do I gotta be a bitch?
Come on. You need to be quiet.
Who's over here? Well, well, well.
I think they're gone.
Right through here, right in here. Ouch. We're cool, we're chilling. We're fine. We're A-okay. We're sitting lavishly right now. Man, she just came upstairs. Oh, she's not gonna come back here, right? Get run for it.
Keep it together, man.
Ouch. Oh! So I didn't feel like crouching, gotcha. What do you want? Oh, he's coming back down there? Bet. Yes, go, 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 go. Oh, shit. Yes. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. We're fine, we're fine, we're fine. Fine, guys. What the actual fuck? Climb that bitch. Oh, where did you come from, Grandpa? Old ass motherfucker. Yeah, I'm getting everybody killed. You know he's gonna come around, right? And just get you, or you can just rumbish you hella quick.
Alright.
Damn, he's stupid. You can't go through the box yourself.
I think.
Oh, don't do it. Don't come back through. Don't come back through. I'm gonna die. I need health. That's what I need. I need lots of it.
Well, looks as if some.
This man is really fucking up my chances. He has health, but I have nothing.
That one ain't gonna make it much further. I've got to find my friends.
So what I gotta do is... Alright, boom. And then we're gonna look for another one, right? Because why not? Must have been through the front door. Had to have been. Alright. That's not good. Fucking crouch, dipshit. Yep. I guess the front door is open now. I need health. There's none around. Why? 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 Thank you. Crouch. Right here. Actually, we're gonna heal myself real quick. There we go. Now we have... Okay, okay. Old man Jenkins is over there. Old man Jenkins don't know shit. Old man Jenkins just might catch me slipping though. Thing is, I don't know what's behind that door. No, I don't think I want to know. I don't think I want to know. Okay, he's gonna get caught. He's gonna get caught. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Since he's up there, right? Living his best life. And I'm over here trying to live mine. Of course he locks that. Ooh, they're all outside. They're all outside. Whoop! Ah! Get it! Get it! Get it! Ah! We're gonna haul real quick. Get it. We're gonna haul real quick. We're gonna haul. Is he gonna get? He's gonna go get the generator. That son of a bitch. He's gonna go get the generator. He's gonna spark up the generator. Now the generator's already sparked up. I can't do shit. Ah! Woo! Oh! Get in there! Go. All I really gotta do is fuck up the generator and run for my fucking life to the front gate. Seems easy. Easy enough. Easier said than done. Which I don't think I'm gonna be able to do any of that. They know that I haven't escaped from the front yet. Look at this. Locks. They all can go back in the house. That'd be nice. I don't know where the generator is. I thought the generator was over here, but apparently not. I really don't know where the fuck the generator is. Is it inside the shack? No, right? Couldn't be. It has to be somewhat close by here, right? Where the fuck is the generator? My health is running out. I'm dying. I'm gonna die. I just don't know where the fuck the generator is. I'm gonna die. I found the fucking generator. I just need help. I need help. I need help. I need help quick.
This. Thank God.
Alright. I got this, I got this, I got this, I got this. I just gotta kick this. I got a fucking whole ass to that fucking, to the road. I got a whole ass to the road. I got a whole ass, got a whole ass, got a... Don't haul ass, don't haul ass, don't haul ass, don't haul ass. Don't haul ass, don't haul ass. I don't think they know that the generator has been broken. Or... Whole ass, baby, whole ass, time to whole ass, baby! Time to fucking haul the fucking ass! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's stand back. Stand back. Let's stop. Stop. Get some stand back. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. Get some stand back. Get some stand back. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. Get some stand back. Get some stand back. Keep going. Come on. Stop. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm hot. I'm hot. I'm hot. I'm sweaty. I'm hot and I'm sweaty. I'm sweaty and I'm hot. I'm sweaty and I'm hot. I'm hot and I'm sweaty. Oh my god. Yep, that's... Gotta end it. I gotta end it on that one. I'm gonna end it on that one. That was a game of a lifetime right there. A game of a fucking lifetime.